Hello and welcome to Simplex Payroll. This tutorial is going to go over you as a salary user. How are you going to log in and use the system? Maybe you're a supervisor and you need a few extra privileges. We're going to cover all of that for you right now. So the very first thing you need to do is come to our homepage at simplexpayroll.com and click the login button up here at the top right hand corner. This is going to take you to the login screen, and as an employee, you'll want to click the employee login. You'll enter your username and password that's been assigned to you. And once you log in, you'll notice that you have the review payroll screen that comes up. Now, the reason this comes up for this particular user is because this user is a supervisor. And I would have the ability to go in here as a supervisor and take a look at my employees' time, anybody that's underneath me, as well as approve time to be submitted at a later point in time by either an accounting user or the employer for payment. There is a distinction there that should be made that I do not have the ability to submit payroll for payment. I only have the ability to review and approve payroll from this screen. Going in here, as you can see, I have no employees to review. That's covered in a review payroll in another tutorial. Feel free to check that out. As a salary user, though, I'll be using this timesheet quite a lot. Now, under this timesheet tab, you'll notice that I have the time as well as a drop-down box here for employees and clients. So I can select a client here. I can select a type of work. Let's say I was doing sales work. I can write a description if I need to. Say I was selling some stuff. I can select a date and time. Say I worked from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and click Add Time. This is going to add it to my timesheet. And as you can see here, we have a detailed list of all of the things that I have done. So during this time period, I have done multiple things, as you can see, and the newest one is selling some stuff for 9 hours. Now, if I do make a mistake and I need to change something or my time was off, I fat fingered it, what I can do is send a message to my supervisor, and this will go to them and they can make the change for me. I don't have the ability to make that change myself, however. And I'll click send. If the end of the time has come for the end of my payroll period and I would like to submit that, all I have to do is type my name in here and click submit payroll, and it will submit it for payroll. As you can see up in the top left-hand corner here, I have a notification box. This notification box allows me to see how many vacation and sick time I have earned and how many hours I still have to earn to be able to get another vacation hour. As you can see, I have not earned any vacation or sick time, and I've only contributed 13 hours towards my 40, so I've got a long way to go. Hopefully I'll make that up this week. I can go to my reporting page here, and reporting and time tracking gives me the ability to view the time that I've put in. You can see a breakdown of my time graphically, as well as looking at it in the same detailed view down here at the bottom as we saw before. I do have the ability to select a date range or a specific reporting period if I want to look at that. And I can go through and take a look at, how many hours I work on average per week, how many average hours I have per day. Only 0.4. Apparently, I don't like to work very much, but I do have 9 hours week to date. If I do need to come back and see my payroll and see what I've been paid over the last few months, if I need to get a pay stub, I can do that right here under reporting and payroll history. just select my time period, and it will go through and put in all of the time that I've had previously. This particular user didn't work at all, and so there's no deductions, there's no taxes or anything, but it would put all of that information right here for you to see. And I do have the ability to export it if I would like. Up here at the top right, I have an account button. Under the account button, I have the ability to go in and change my password if I want to. I can elect for direct deposit if my employer has allowed that. I can also change my name and my billing address, for instance, if I got married or something like that. And I do have the ability to change the time zone if I do need to do that. And all I would have to do then is select Update Employee Information. And if you ever have any questions, feel free to ask your employer or to contact us right here at the support button. It takes you directly to our knowledge base. We're here for you. You can either give us a call, contact us via email, do a live chat. We're here to help you.